In the fast-paced world of content creation, being efficient is key to success. Video is here to stay and content is being posted everywhere. So how can you work smarter and not harder to keep up with the competition? That is where artificial intelligence comes in. AI can enhance your workflow and provide you with powerful tools to help improve your videos and remove mundane tasks. I haven't talked much about it on my channel, but because of how powerful it can be, I believe that it's important for content creators like you to know about the available AI tools that are out there and how to use it to your advantage. So in this video, I will introduce you to 5 powerful AI tools that will help you be more efficient in your content creation. First up is ChatGPT 3 by OpenAI, which is free to use and can help plan your content. Sometimes it's difficult to come up with new ideas, and with ChatGPT, you can find some new inspiration for your video. Think of ChatGPT as your robot friend that can answer questions. If you have a channel about dogs, you can ask ChatGPT to give you 10 content ideas about dogs. And ChatGPT will then generate 10 ideas in seconds, giving you a quick and easy way to get ideas for your content. The first one being the benefits of having a dog, discuss the various physical, emotional, and mental health benefits of owning a dog. And because ChatGPT remembers your conversation, you can continue asking ChatGPT to come up with 10 titles for the generated content idea. However, the best way to use ChatGPT is to be as specific as possible. The more specific you are, the more accurate results you will get. So I'm gonna pick the first one, I'm gonna copy it, and then I'm gonna ask ChatGPT, generate 10 title ideas for the topic, and I'm gonna paste that title in it, press enter. And from there on, you can continue and start structuring your script and ask ChatGPT to outline 5 tips and paste the title idea you've chosen. I'm gonna go with the third one, which is how dogs can improve your mental health and reduce stress. So I'm gonna copy this one, and then I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to outline 5 tips on the topic, then paste the title in it. And as you can see, based on what I've wrote, it will give me 5 reasons on how dogs can improve your mental health and reduce stress. So a dog can provide unconditional love and companionship and so on. And it structures it really nicely. And you can even ask ChatGPT to write an intro for you based on the title. So I will ask ChatGPT to write me an introduction on the topic, and then I will paste in the title. And you will see that it will write it out for you, and you now have an engaging intro that you can use to grab your viewers' attention. Now with these 5 tips or reasons that we have, you can even ask ChatGPT to write a full script about one of these tips mentioned here. Write me a blog on encourage physical activity. So it now generated the script, and it did a really good job. It says dogs are known for being active and energetic animals. They love to run, jump, and play. But did you know that owning a dog can also encourage physical activity in their owners? And what you can do is copy everything and put it into a Word document so that you can structure it better. And then from there on, you can read it through. And if you need to make any changes or want ChatGPT to rewrite it, it will do so by just asking for it. Now, I highly recommend you test and play around with ChatGPT to get the best result. It does a very good job of writing the script. However, I wouldn't want to use the script immediately for your videos. You want to make sure to check the information so it's correct and adjust the wording to your personality, which is why the scripts are more like sketches and need to be polished by you before you start producing your video. Next up is Adobe AI Speech Enhancement, which is currently running in beta and is free to use. Audio is one of the most important aspects of any video, and while you might have the best camera and equipment, if your audio doesn't sound good, it will impact the quality of your video. Now, Adobe's AI Speech Enhancement is a great tool that can help improve the audio in your video by reducing background noise, enhancing speech, and much more. So I'm here at a construction site, and you can probably hear a lot of background noise. And for situations like these, the Speech Enhancer by Adobe is a great option. And this is how it would sound like once you applied the Speech Enhancer. So this is how it sounds like with the Speech Enhancer applied. a pretty powerful tool. You can't hear any of the background noise, and my voice is also more enhanced. So for situations like these, where you really want to get rid of the background noise, this is a great option. I usually make sure to record my audio in quiet environments, but sometimes that's not possible. Now, I do most of the audio processing in Final Cut Pro. However, for someone who isn't advanced in audio editing, Adobe AI is a great tool for speech enhancement. So I can simply upload the audio file in it. So once it has been processed, you can download it to your folder and use it in your videos. So you now have no excuses for bad audio, and I recommend using this tool whenever you find yourself struggling with bad audio. By the way, I will leave links to all AI products in the video description below. So the next AI tool is Timebolt, which automatically removes silence in your spoken videos. This is such a powerful tool, and even though I'm a fast editor and have optimized my editing workflow over the years, nothing comes closer to having a tool that does this for you and has saved me hours of editing time. This tool automatically removes silence from my A-rolls. All you have to do is upload the video file to Timebolt and let it do its thing. I then export it as an XML file and import it into Final Cut Pro, which gives me the edited A-roll version with the silence cut out. Timebolt is also great for editing podcasts, as it can identify moments of silence and remove them with one click. Timebolt does have a trial version with a watermark applied so that you can see the results. They have several pricing options. You could go for a monthly or yearly subscription, or if you're like me who hates subscription plans, you can buy it once and own it for a lifetime. I'm not sponsored by them. I just think it saves me a lot of time and increases my workflow speed. Next on the list is auto-generating your captions using Capcut. Capcut is a free editing program by ByteDance, famous for creating the well-known app TikTok. I recently made a video about it. The benefits of using Capcut is that it comes for free. There is also a pro version, but the free version has all the basic tools you need and is available on desktop and mobile. It is packed with tons of features, and one powerful tool is being able to auto-generate captions using AI. You see captions being used a lot in short form content. The reason why it's important to have captions as part of your video is because it increases the overall viewing experience, and with 5% of the world's population being deaf, captions are extremely important for accessibility. So the way you can add captions inside Capcut is pretty easy. Once you imported your talking head clip into the timeline, you can head over to text, select auto captions, make sure to select the right language and hit create. It will then automatically detect the speech in your video and transcribe it into captions. From there on, you can look through your captions and make any necessary adjustments in case of spelling mistakes. You can also change the font, text size, color, and more to match your brand. So if you have been manually typing out your captions, you no longer need to, as Capcut's auto captions can save you a lot of time and energy. Last, we have Topaz Video AI from Topaz Labs, which in a nutshell makes your footage look better. It's a standalone desktop application where you can import and enhance your videos using AI technology. There are several options that you can choose from. You can upscale your videos from low resolution to high resolution. For example, I took this video that was shot on my iPhone in 1080p and upscaled it to 4K, and it does a very good job of filling in those missing details, and it looks surprisingly natural and authentic. Another cool thing is that you can turn your video into slow motion. Now, the shot that I took was shot in 60 frames per second, and I was able to slow it down 4 times and it still looked buttery smooth. Every time I try this option, I'm amazed at how well it does. It takes your footage, and doesn't matter what frame rate you shot it in, it can be 24, 30 frames per second, and takes those frames, stretches them out, and creates these new frames so that you have more frames per second to be slowed down. Final Cut Pro has something called optical flow. However, it doesn't work every time and is not as good as Topaz Video AI. For someone like me who captures video on my iPhone, having a tool like Topaz Video AI can help make my footage look as best as possible. I don't use it all the time because it does require a lot of computer powering, and especially for longer clips, it can take some time. However, there are moments when the footage wasn't captured in the best way, so having this tool to clean it up and make it look better is extremely helpful. Now, Topaz Video AI has some other useful features which I haven't gone into, but I find these two features, upscaling and creating slow motion video, to be the most beneficial. I highly recommend you test it out. There is a free trial version available that comes with a watermark, but if you decide to purchase it, it is a one-time payment, which is great. I haven't been paid by them to say this, but I've seen other reviews and bought it myself, and I really think it's worth the investment. What's great is that once you buy it, you own it for life. So these are the 5 AI tools I use to save me a ton of time and help improve my videos. I think it's important to be open-minded and willing to try out new tools that can make your workflow more efficient. Time is one of our most valuable resources, and for me as a content creator, if I can find ways to save time and be more productive, I'm all for it. So I hope you found this video useful, and let me know in the comments if there are any other AI tools you use that help you in your video creation. Until then, thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you the next time.